Welcome to Learn KP Astrology with me, your go-to channel for mastering astrology. Today, we'll explore the fascinating influence of the star lord of the sublord of the second house when it resides in the ninth house. This placement has profound implications on various aspects of life, including wealth, education, philosophy, and more. Finding sublord of house or cusp from cusp table in KP Astrology. Check for the row of house you want to analyze. Check for the SB column. The cell where the cusp row and SB column meets is the sublord of that house. Finding or star lord of sublord in planets table. In our example, Moon is sublord. Locate the row of sublord and corresponding NL column. The cell where sublord row and NL column meets is or star lord of that sublord. Understanding the second and ninth houses. The second house in astrology primarily deals with wealth, speech, family values, and early education. It reflects our material resources and how we accumulate wealth. The ninth house, on the other hand, is often referred to as the house of fortune. It governs higher education, philosophy, long-distance travel, and spiritual growth. It's also associated with law, religion, and ethics. The role of the star lord and sublord. In Vedic astrology, the concept of the star lord, nakshatra lord, and the sublord adds a layer of nuance to our readings. The star lord can significantly modify the results of the house it rules, and the sublord gives additional insights into the finer aspects of one's life. Impacts on wealth. When the star lord of sublord of second house is positioned in ninth house, it often indicates wealth through philosophical pursuits or higher education. For instance, individuals might find financial success in academic professions, publishing, or international trade. This placement can also suggest inherited wealth through family or benefactors. Example: a professor who not only earns through teaching but also receives royalties from published books exemplifies this influence. Effects on education and philosophy. This alignment strongly favors higher education and philosophical learning. The individual may have a profound interest in subjects like religion, law, or metaphysics. They might pursue advanced degrees or become educators themselves. Example: a student with this placement may excel in university, particularly in fields related to the ninth house like philosophy or theology, and may go on to become a well-respected academic. Influence on spiritual and ethical values. Spiritually, this placement enhances one's quest for truth and understanding. It often leads to a deep, intrinsic motivation to explore and question life's bigger questions, fostering a lifelong journey of spiritual discovery. Example: someone with this placement may travel extensively for spiritual growth, visiting places of religious significance or studying under various spiritual leaders. Practical implications. Understanding this placement can help individuals harness their potential more effectively. For astrology enthusiasts and practitioners, recognizing these influences allows for more accurate readings and better guidance. Example: advising a client to pursue higher education or a career in academia based on this placement can lead to significant personal and financial fulfillment for them.